All right, let's get started on replacing our tailgate cable. The process will be the same for either side of the vehicle. We're going to start right up along the top where it connects to the body. If you were to lift up on your tailgate a little bit, you're going to get some slack. Now looking at this, you can see that it has a locking tab. You can use a screwdriver, a pick, or whatever you have. We're just going to go ahead and slide that a little bit and lift it up and out of position. Looking at the back side, you can see that it has the larger carved out area that fits over this. Now we can set this down. Follow the cable down to the tailgate. We're going to have to use a T45 Torx bit to remove this. It looks a lot like a star. Okay, let's get ready to assemble our brand new cable. Looking at the original, you can see exactly how the hardware needs to be set up. We'll take our mounting bolt, slide it through from one side to the other. Now once you have that on there, you're going to continue on with this piece. That's going to slide right in here like this. Now we'll take this locking tab and slide it right on over. That holds everything together, and now we can continue. All right, now we can get this in position onto the tailgate. You've got the bolt hole and the slot. Looking at this, you've got a bolt and you've got a piton that's supposed to go into the slot. Go ahead and line it up. Press it in, tighten it up to lock it down. Make sure that can still pivot a little bit. Now we'll bring this up to its proper position. Lift the tailgate, slide it in, lock it in. Go ahead and give it a little jiggle to make sure this tab goes underneath. That's how it locks in position. Now, of course, you just want to test it by shutting the tailgate and make sure it functions properly without getting caught in any way. Perfect.